Hi, my name is Catherine Sheen Leiden, and I am the inventor of Takata Blocks. And I wanted to give you just a quick rundown of all sorts of Takata Blocks products that are in the pipeline but have not yet been manufactured. I have a level 2 set. Now the level 2 set is fully designed and all it needs to be is manufactured. And it has things like 16th notes and triplets and other more complicated time signatures such as 6/4 and 12/8 and 2/4 and cut time. So things that the more advanced student would be able to use. Then I also have what's called a phrasemaker base. The phrasemaker base is a longer base that you can put the time signature in, and then you could put several measures of a certain time signature. And that is mostly designed, but it's still open to some interpretation. Then I have some books that are in the pipeline. One of them is a rhythm book that uses common phrases that children use and makes it so that they're notated on the page. So for instance, hi, I'm Jake, and everything is just notated right there, and then the student can recreate those rhythms by using the Takata Blocks. Then I also have an alphabet book that uses musical instruments. This was just a brainstorm. I was at Barnes & Noble and I was looking for an instrument book for kids, and there's nothing there. So for instance, you could have Alex plays the accordion, and Bettina plays the bassoon, and have all of these sort of instruments that would be able to be used that you could illustrate with the alphabet and have their pictures there so that kids can learn the names of the instruments. So that's what I have in the pipeline right now. I also have a whole lot of ideas that are outside the Takata Blocks music line, and thank you for listening. Thanks. Bye.